Hey there, Lane Hickenbottom with the Omaha Headshot Company, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite body hacks, the Peter Hurley 6-foot party sub. So one of the photographers who I study is Peter Hurley, who's a New York-based headshot photographer extraordinaire, and this body hack comes straight from him, and he calls it a 6-foot party sub. So I don't really use it as much with men as I do with women. With women, a lot of times I'll have people who are wearing either like a sleeveless blouse or perhaps a dress that doesn't show sleeves. This trick actually looks good also with just tight-fitting clothes, men or women. And basically it's about a 6-foot party sub. So the first thing I want to show you is, imagine here, I'm just going to roll up my sleeves as if I'm not wearing any. So if I'm like this, I just want you to look at the shape of my arms as they're coming off my shoulder. And this is how most people would tend to stand. So my shoulder comes off and it just kind of rounds out like that. Now, 6-foot party sub, what's that about? So I have people act as if they're holding a 6-foot party sub. And so they've got their elbows in and their palms up and the arms out. Now what happens here is now, instead of just rolling off, now we've got separation. We've got deltoid bicep. And you know, if you're somebody who works on your arms, this looks fantastic. And so with a headshot, you gotta imagine we're cropping right here. You don't see all this. So it doesn't, you might feel ridiculous standing like this, but you're gonna love the results. So one of my favorite body hacks, the 6-foot party sub.